सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्टडी विद सर अमन चैनल को और नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए।
Good morning all of you. Today we will continue from question number 11. Write the supplement of. Supplement means two angles whose sum is 180 degree is known as supplementary angle. Out of that two angle, one is given here 100 degree, means 180 degree minus 100 degree is equal to 80 degree is our required answer. Okay, in this question I will give you two examples, so check the examples carefully. See, check number 5, supplement. We have to find 90 plus a plus b. What I have told you, whatever is there subtract with 180 degree. 180 degree minus, remove the bracket, minus plus minus, check the arrow symbol, minus plus minus, 180 minus 90, 90 degree. A minus b, both are different variables, so we cannot subtract, it will remain same answer. Important is number 8, 180 degree is equal to 179 degree plus 1 degree we can write. Here you have to understand very nicely. 1 degree means 60 minute, okay, and 1 minute means 60 seconds. So 180, how we can write? We can write 179 degree 59 minutes 60 seconds, and we have to subtract from this. You can do it very easily. Check. Next question, are the following pair of angles complementary? Complementary means two angles whose sum is 90 degree is known as complementary angle. So two angles are given you, plus if it is coming 90 degree, then yes, they are complementary angle. What are the types in this? See, first type is very easy. Next type is degree and minute, again degree and minute. How to plus? Degree with degree and minute with minute. 8 plus 3 11, 3 and 2 5 and 1 6. Is it equal to 90 degree? No, it is not equal to 90 degree. Therefore these pair of angles are not complementary angles. Okay, similarly you can do question number 13. Two angles you plus, if it is coming 180 degree, then you write yes, they are supplementary, otherwise they are not supplementary. I am talking about 13 number. Clear? See, in this question two angles are given and we have to find the value of x. Okay, and question condition is that they are supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. Question is very simple. Both angles we will plus and we will write 180 degree, and therefore we will do calculation and we will find the value of x. Let us see. Check solution. As I have told you, both angles we will plus 180 degree. How to solve? Many times I have told you. Variable with variable means x with x, number with number means constant with constant. Okay, so like this you can see x is coming 27.4 degree. It is coming in decimal. You can change degree into minute also. How? 27 degree is a whole part, integral part is 0.4 degree, so 0.4 remove point, in the down what will come? 10, multiply with 60 because 1 degree equal to 60 minute, multiply 27 degree 24 minute will come. Okay, check question. Two angles are given, they are complementary, we have to find them. Only there is one problem, they are given in ratio. So whenever they are given in ratio, what we have to do, I have told you already. First process is that you can take x. Okay, let us see. Check. Let the ratio constant for angles be x. So first angle is 1, so 1x. Second angle is 5, so 5x is equal to 90. Why there is 90 here? Because it is complementary angle. Plus it, x is equal to 15 degree. First angle 1x, 1 into 15 15. Second angle was 5x, means 5 into x means 5 into 15 75 degree. And if you want to check your answer, it is right or wrong, both angles you plus. If it is 90 degree, then your answer is correct. Okay, check it is what problem. What is the rule? I have told you, you have to read the question 2 times. It is very easy. 20% of an angle is supplement of 60. What are the things you will get in this? 20% of an angle. Angle is not given, so we will take x. Second part is supplement of 60. Check. Supplement of 60 you have done. Supplement of 60 means 180 degree minus 60. Second part is okay. Find the angle. How we will solve? Check, very important and very easy. So I have told you, let the angle be x. Next part is supplement of 60, 180 degree minus 60, 120. According to question, 20% of an angle is equal to 120. 120 is coming from first step, you can see. So angle we don't know x, so 20% of x is 120, therefore simplify, x is 600 degree. Okay, clear? Question is very easy, only check the diagram, no need to read the question. First you see diagram, line is straight, many angles are given, 4x, 3x, 2x. We need the value of x at first. What you can identify, the line is straight or the line is oblique? It is straight line. What is the angle? What concept I have given you in the first class? If many angles are made on a straight line, all the angles you plus and you write 180 degree. Why? Because the line is straight. Angles made on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. See the solution. Check according to figure. What first word I have written here? ATF. According to figure, all angles I have written, 4x plus 3x plus 2x plus x is equal to 180 degree. You can check from figure serially. So 10x equal to 180, therefore x is equal to 18 degree. Simplification. One more question was here. Find the supplement. Supplement means 180 degree minus 18. 162 is our required answer. The question which we are dealing today is based on complementary angle and supplementary angle. Complementary means 90, supplementary means 180 degree. Clear? Now listen it carefully. Those who have not understood, first clear your basics, watch my last video of this chapter, then you try to solve any other questions. Okay, and one more thing I would like to tell you, that thank you very much all of you for wishing me on Teachers Day. Stay healthy. Thank you. God bless you.